Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect eToro to Base44. So in order to do this, simply open Base44, log in using your user credentials, and you'll be on the apps page. Here, you're going to click on integration option. Now, click on search integration and search for eToro. Then click on eToro. And here, you can see you can click on this use this integration option. So, this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on Builder tier and above. So make sure you click on use this integration button and you'll be able to do that. But before that, you will need to have a Builder tier or above plan. So simply click on your profile icon, choose settings and choose plan and billing. Click on upgrade plan and make sure you choose builder or a starter, not elite and pro, because integrations can be done only on these plans. So choose a plan, then get back to this page, click on use this integration and you'll be easily able to connect eToro with Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.